In this video, we're going to delve into an intriguing topic that has fascinated spiritual seekers and numerology enthusiasts for centuries. Have you ever wondered how a simple number can have the power to transform your life in profound ways? Numerology, an ancient spiritual practice that attributes deep mystical meanings to numbers, has long been a potent tool for those seeking harmony, balance, and success in their lives. Among these significant numbers, 888 holds a special place as a symbol of luck, abundance, and manifestation. But how exactly does the number 888 influence our lives? How can we tap into this powerful energy to manifest our deepest desires and achieve our goals? Stick around until the end of this video, and you'll discover how something as simple as placing a piece of paper with the number 888 under your pillow could be the key to the transformation you've been seeking. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. By doing so, you ensure that you won't miss out on any valuable tips on numerology and other spiritual practices that have the potential to change your life in incredible ways. Also, feel free to comment below, expressing your gratitude for the life you're living and how open you are to receiving the blessings of the universe. Let your words resonate and attract everything you desire. Now let's embark on this journey together as we explore the immense power of the number 888 and how it can become a significant ally in your quest for self-discovery and achievement. Numerology is a spiritual practice with roots that trace back to ancient civilizations. It's based on the belief that numbers are not just symbols used in mathematics, but also carriers of vibrations and energies that can profoundly influence our lives. Different cultures and spiritual traditions around the world have their own interpretations of numerology, but they all share a common belief. Numbers are more than mere mathematical symbols. They are messages from the universe. In the realm of numerology, the number 888 is especially noteworthy. This number is seen as a symbol of harmony, balance, and the potential for manifestation. It represents infinity and continuity, suggesting an endless flow of energy and power. The number 888 is often associated with abundance and success, encouraging a sense of confidence in life's journey and the assurance that things are unfolding exactly as they should. From a cultural perspective, the number 888 has been interpreted in various ways across different traditions. In some cultures, it is considered an extremely auspicious number, a harbinger of luck and prosperity. For instance, in Chinese culture, the number 8 is highly revered because its pronunciation is similar to the word for prosperity or wealth. When you triple this energy as in 888, the positive vibrations are amplified, making 888 a powerful symbol of transformation and good fortune. Many people have reported experiencing signs and synchronicities related to the number 8888. These occurrences are often viewed as messages from the universe, affirming that you are on the right path. You might notice the number 888 appearing repeatedly, whether on license plates, clocks, or even in your dreams. These signs serve as gentle reminders that you are in sync with the energy of 888 and that abundance and prosperity are on their way to you. The power of belief and intention in the process of manifestation cannot be overstated. When you truly believe in something and set your intentions with clarity and focus, you are directing the universe's energy to bring your desires into reality. Your mind, along with your state of mind, is a powerful tool in creating your reality. By incorporating the number 888 into your spiritual practices, you can amplify this energy, making your desires more tangible and achievable. The practical applications of numerology, especially when it comes to the number 888, are vast. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to harness the energy of 888 is through rituals, meditations, and daily practices. For example, you can incorporate the number 888 into your creative visualizations, where you imagine your desires as already fulfilled while connecting with the energy of the number. However, one of the most powerful and straightforward practices I'm going to teach you involves just a piece of paper and a pen. Let's delve into the details of this incredible and powerful practice that can transform your life and help you achieve all your desires using the power of numerology. Follow these steps carefully to maximize the benefits of this practice. Step 1. Mental preparation. Begin by preparing yourself mentally. Find a quiet moment where you won't be interrupted, a time of calm and tranquility. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths to help you center yourself. Focus on calming your mind and relaxing your body completely. This state of peace and focus is crucial because it allows your intentions to be clear and powerful. Step 2. Choosing the right materials. Next, take a piece of white paper that is free from lines or marks. White paper is symbolic of purity and new possibilities, providing a clean slate for your intentions. Using a paper without visual distractions reinforces the clarity and simplicity of your desire. Now, with a pen, preferably blue or black, write the number 888 at the top of the paper. As you write, concentrate on the positive energy and abundance that the number 888 represents. Feel the connection to its manifesting power and imagine this energy flowing into the paper as you write. Step 3. Crafting your intention. Beneath the number 888, write a clear and concise sentence that describes what you want to achieve in the next 3 months. Be specific and positive in your wording. For instance, you might write, "I want to attract a new job opportunity that brings me satisfaction and prosperity." The specificity of your statement helps direct the energy precisely, increasing the likelihood of manifestation. Step 4. Folding with intention. Carefully fold the paper into 3 parts, symbolizing the triplicity of the number 8. Each fold should be done with intention and concentration, visualizing your desire manifesting as you fold. This act of folding is not just a physical action, but also a symbolic gesture of shaping and structuring your desire. Step 5. Placing the paper under your pillow. Place the folded paper under your pillow before going to sleep. As you do this, reaffirm your desire either mentally or aloud and reinforce your confidence in the power of the number 888 and your ability to manifest your goal. This is the moment to solidify your faith in the effectiveness of the process and the strength of your desire. Step 6. Daily reinforcement. Each night before going to sleep, touch the paper under your pillow and remind yourself of your desire. Visualize it becoming a reality and feel the positive energy flowing through you. Maintain this practice for at least 3 months to allow the energy of the number 888 to align with your intentions. The daily repetition strengthens the connection between your subconscious mind and your goal, intensifying the process of manifestation. Step 7. Morning gratitude. Every morning upon waking, take a moment to thank the universe for the fulfillment of your desire, even if it has not yet manifested physically. Gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting more good things into your life. By expressing gratitude, you are anticipating success and creating a cycle of positivity that draws even more abundance and achievements into your life. The practice of placing the number 888 under your pillow is a powerful tool for manifesting desires and goals. However, it's essential that you approach this practice with pure intention and an open heart. By aligning your intentions with the universe's energy, you invite harmony, balance, and prosperity into your life. Trust in the power of your thoughts and intentions, and allow the number 888 to guide you on your journey of transformation. Beyond this specific practice, you can integrate the number 888 into other personal development routines, such as creative visualization, positive affirmations, and meditation. For instance, during meditation, you can visualize the number 888 glowing in your mind, surrounded by a golden light of abundance and prosperity. Repeating affirmations like, "I am in harmony with the universe's energy," or "I attract prosperity and success in all areas of my life," while visualizing the number 888 can further amplify your intentions. It's important to approach numerology, especially the use of the number 888, with a sense of responsibility and ethics. As we strive to manifest our desires, we must always consider the impact of our intentions on others and the world around us. The energy we project into the universe has a ripple effect, and it's our responsibility to use this energy consciously and positively. In conclusion, numerology, particularly the energy of 888, offers a powerful pathway to manifesting your desires and achieving your goals. By approaching this practice with an open mind and a heart full of faith, you may witness significant changes in your life. Remember to act responsibly and ethically, always mindful that your intentions not only affect you, but also the world around you. If you haven't already done so, now is the perfect time to subscribe to our channel. Like, share, and subscribe to continue receiving content that can truly transform your life. Keep in mind that the key to manifesting your desires lies within you, and with the guidance of the number 888, you can reach new heights of success and happiness. Let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and fulfillment together. Thank you for watching, and may the energy of 888 guide you toward a life filled with abundance, prosperity, and infinite possibilities.